Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope this season is not too hard on you. May this season of love bring you peace, hope, and joy. As the year comes to an end, let God into your life because a life without Him is exhausting. A child has been born for us. We have been given a son who will be our ruler. Come and join me set the Christmas dinner table at home. Sharing my life here on YouTube took years of praying until it finally dawned on me how to deliver the important messages to you. I believe there is a future star in you. The challenge is how to hone this talent without losing your soul in the process. The journey is as important as the destination. I'm grateful that you are here to join in this life journey. The power of leadership and the weight of authority will rest on his shoulders. His name will know in many ways. He will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Dear Father Everlasting, Ever Present, Never Failing, Master of Wholeness, Prince of Peace. I hope that you see life's purpose is to glorify God. That is the chief purpose of man. First, love God, then love others. Thank you for taking the time to learn the lesson in each video. If it has inspired you to take some action, it will be a joy if you let me know in the comments section. These videos are possible because of God and you. Wherever you are in life now, know that it is still possible to worship God, even in your lowest point, or if you have nothing else in this world. God is all we need. Life is difficult. In this world, you will have tribulation, but take heart, for God has overcome the world. His dominion is vast and forever peaceful, upon David's throne and over his kingdom, which he confirms and sustains by judgment and justice, both now and forever. The zeal of the Lord of hosts will do this. Merry Christmas from our family to yours. I'll see you in the next video.